Depositing funds into your XTB trading account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log in. Sign into your XTB account using your credentials. Navigate to Deposit section. Once logged in, locate the Deposit section within your account dashboard. This may be labeled as Deposit Funds or similar. Choose Deposit Method. Select your preferred deposit method from the options provided. XTB typically offers various deposit methods, including bank transfer, credit or debit card, and electronic wallets such as Skrill or NetTeller. Enter deposit amount. Specify the amount you wish to deposit into your XTB account. Make sure to adhere to any minimum or maximum deposit requirements. Provide payment details. Depending on the deposit method chosen, you may need to provide payment details such as your card information or bank account details. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Review and confirm. Review the deposit details to ensure accuracy, including the deposit amount and payment method. Confirm the deposit to initiate the transaction. Wait for processing. XTB will process your deposit request, which may take a short period. The processing time can vary depending on the chosen deposit method and XTB's internal procedures. Verify deposit. Once the deposit is processed, you will receive a confirmation notification. You can verify the deposit by checking your account balance, which should reflect the deposited amount.